What is search engine optimization? In this video, we'll discuss what search engine optimization is and how it works. Search engine optimization is a process of choosing the most appropriate targeted keyword phrases related to your site, and ensuring that this ranks your site highly in search engines so that when someone searches for specific phrases, it returns your site on top. It involves fine-tuning the content of your site along with the HTML and meta tags, and also involves an appropriate link building process. Search engines keep their methods and ranking algorithms secret to get credit for finding the most valuable search results and to deter spam pages from clogging those results. A search engine may use hundreds of factors while ranking the listings where the factors themselves and the weight each carries may change continually. Algorithms can differ so widely that a web page that ranks number 1 in a particular search engine could rank number 200 in another search engine. New sites need not be submitted to search engines to be listed. A simple link from a well-established site will get the search engines to visit the new site and begin to spider its contents. It can take a few days to even weeks from the referring of a link from such an established site for all the main search engine spiders to commence visiting and indexing the new site. If you are unable to research and choose keywords and work on your search engine ranking, you may want to hire someone to work with you on these issues. Search engine marketing and promotion companies will look at the plan for your site and make recommendations to increase your search engine ranking and website traffic. If you wish, they will also provide ongoing consultation and reporting to monitor your website and make recommendations for editing and improvements to keep your site traffic flow and your search engine ranking high. Normally, your search engine optimization experts work with your web designer to build an integrated plan right away so that all aspects of design are considered at the same time. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.